Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies. And this is Fides from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Fides. In the lecture of the first degree, it is said that our ancient brethren worshiped deity under the name of Fides or Fidelity, which was sometimes represented by two right hands joined, and sometimes by two human figures holding each other by the right hands. The deity here referred to was the goddess Fides, to whom Numa first erected temples, and whose priests were covered by a white veil as a symbol of the purity which should characterize fidelity. No victims were slain on her altars, and no offerings made to her except flowers, wine, and incense. Her statues were represented clothed in a white mantle, with a key in her hand and a dog at her feet. The virtue of fidelity is, however, frequently symbolized in ancient metals by a heart in the open hand, but more usually by two right hands clasped. Horace calls her Incorrupta Fides and makes her the sister of justice, while Cicero says that which is religion towards God and piety towards our parents is fidelity towards our fellow men. There was among the Romans another deity called Fides, who presided over oaths and contracts, a very usual form of imprecation being the following: that is, so help me the God, Fides. Noel says that there was an ancient marble at Rome consecrated to the god Fides, on which was depicted two figures clasping each other's hands as the representatives of honor and truth, without which there can be no fidelity, nor truth among men. Masonry, borrowing its ideals from the ancient poets, also makes the right hand the symbol of fidelity. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.